Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Kindy. For those of you who do, welcome back. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Okay, let's hop right into this video. So we are doing our first ever unboxing, my first PR box from the one, the only, Good Molecules. Good Molecules is bomb. Like when I tell y'all, I already know what this is about. It's bomb. I'm just here to reassure you. No, to make sure you know that they are bomb. Okay. And I also want to show y'all these. Look at these cute little brushes that I picked up. Ain't they cute? I got them from Walmart. I needed some more brushes. These are cute. I like them. Even though my favorite color pink, these blue ones is hot. I think I paid like $12 for these. I love Moda. Is it Moda? Moda brushes. Moda. If I'm saying it right. I like their brushes. Their brushes, good, affordable, cheap brushes. And Real Technique. I like their brushes too. This is the Enchanted set. Look at it. This is cute. I got these from TJ Maxx. They were $7.99. My autofocus sucked. There we go. $7.99 for these. I just had to show y'all those. Okay, let's open this. Let's open this. It's cute. That packaging. Look at this. If you know me, you know I like colors. This is cute. And then it's pink. My favorite color is pink and gold. For any of you who want to know. If you really want to know. There you go. Pink and gold. If you ever want to get me something. Okay. So first, they got the little card that says see a difference in your skin with a little note. It says after 10 years working in beauty, there's a funny thing I noticed about skincare. Regardless of how much you spend, results are usually the same. I didn't notice a difference in my skin. The truth is, most brands spend more money on the jar than the formula inside. That ain't nothing but the truth. Some jars be so pretty and the product just suck. And most of them stink. I'm just throwing that out there. Back to it. And when we wonder why the products don't work, that's the reason we started Good Molecules. To create products that make a difference in your skin. Products filled with ingredients backed by science at a price you can feel good about too. We publish a nothing to hide ingredient list on the side of each box so you know exactly how much of each we use. I'm excited for you to try Good Molecules and see a difference in your skin. Tag us when you do. Hashtag Good Molecules. Enjoy. Niles, co-founder. And it says never tested on animals. This cute little note that matched the box. Thank you. Okay. Let me just get situated. Oh, what happened? My braid didn't sleep to the... Okay. Ooh, what you see me? You sit there right there. Right there. So, they sent the brightening toner. I don't know why I just said it like that. I don't even know how to pronounce the N word in front of it. I'm not going to try. Let y'all see it for yourself. This is what they sent. The brightening toner formulated with that N word. Okay, so this was made to brighten and improve appearance of enlarged pores. I don't know why I just stared at the box that long. Like they said, the ingredients are on the side and exactly how much they used. And then, oh, and then it shows you It tells you how to use it, when it can be used, which is morning and night, and then how to layer. So there's steps. So step 1, cleanse. So I did notice that the cleanser is not in here. It is a cleansing bar. I'll post a picture of what they look like because I already have that bar. It's real good. It's just a little cute little bar soap. So you would cleanse, you know, cleanse your face. Then you're gonna use the brightening toner. Okay. Open it. This is actually kind of heavy. So here it is outside the box. I do like their packaging. Like it's simple, you know. My ponytail not working, like my little swoopy doopy not working the way I wanted it to. I don't need that box. Alright, next we got the, I need to clean my desk. That ain't working out either. Okay. Next we got the discoloration correcting serum. Improves the appearance of hyperpigments and dark spots. Now I do already have this as well, and exactly what it say it do. And this is gonna be step 3 in your cleansing routine, and it can also be used in the morning and at night. I do use it both morning and night with the cleansing bar. And there's, I'm trying to hide behind it so it focuses. And there we go. That, and it's like a white color. So when I put this on, I go here, here, and then I will drop it straight down and just rub it all in. I don't need that box either. You know what? I might save the box for this one because we already have one that's open, and I don't want both of them to be open. Next, we got the overnight exfoliating treatment, and this is to help resurface and renew the skin, and this is to only be used at night, of course, because it does say overnight. So let me tell y'all, okay, how I got on this product was because of my boyfriend. Alright, so he always trying stuff. I'm gonna find something, I'm gonna try it for a while, he gonna try it and whatever. But he liked this too because he been using it, so I give him his props for that one. So this kind of a little more, oh yeah, this is a little more liquidy. That one, the discoloration a little more creamy than super liquid like this one. But do y'all smell? No. So this is the overnight exfoliating, and this is I done lost track of what I was saying. Okay, this would be considered step 3 in the face routine at night. So at night you would do the cleansing bar, the toner. You would use this first and then use this serum, and then we have the moisturizer, and this is to help deeply hydrate, smooth, and nourish your skin. Excuse my autofocus because you suck. There you go. But what was I saying? Yeah, so he was trying it. He asked me to pick it up because it was at Ulta. My boyfriend would not go in Ulta for nothing, but I live in there, so I went and got it for him. And honestly, they products do not even cost that much, like very affordable, like they said it was. All right, and this will be the last step in both routines, both night and day. Yeah, you can use this both night and day. So this will be your last step for both. So for the morning, again, cleansing bar, toner, discoloration, moisturizer. At night, bar, toner, this overnight treatment, this one, and this one. And then the overnight treatment also says use it up to 3 times per week. So probably don't recommend using every day. It also says can cause irritation if you use other retinol or acid products. So just be mindful. At least they tell you, because some people don't tell you. Woo. Oh, and then they got the little note. It says good molecules now available at Ulta Beauty, which is where I got my bar soap and discoloration serum. Oh, it got it on the back. So it got the basic starting, oh yeah, that's what it says, best sellers at starting at $5. Everyone deserves effective skincare with safe ingredients. So this is the list. This is the bar soap right here, and then they sent me this and this. I do not have the hyaluronic acid serum. They also have a Yerber Mate Wake Up Eye Gel. And then they have a BHA Clarifying Gel Cream. So I honestly think the most expensive of their products might be this one. Is $15, the toner. Other than that, everything is under $15. But I mean, this will last you a good minute, because you shouldn't be drenching your face. Cotton ball, dab, dab, dab. But that is that. And then they got the steps again on the side on how to wash your face. I'm just in love with this box, y'all. Like, it's so cute. I don't want to get rid of it. I don't know what to do with it, but I really don't want to throw it away. Okay, but that is it for that. These are the products that they sent me, which are all normal size products. Kind of look small on camera, but they all good. I want to thank Good Molecule for sending me these products, and I will also be giving you guys weekly updates, because like I said, I have not used these at all. Normally I use a soap, the discoloration, then I do witch hazel as my little toner, and Pods moisturizing lotion. But I'm gonna try all of their products together, and like I said, I seen a difference in my skin within the, I want to say within the first week and a half. Like, I noticed the difference, because I had bad discoloration after my pregnancy, y'all. Like, I was like 18 different colors. So I'm gonna say, holy grail, bomb. The soap will cleanse your skin. You will feel the cleanliness without it even drying your skin out like they soap. But again, thank you guys for sending me these. I really appreciate it. I will be giving updates. I will I will post the link to their website in the description bar. I will tag their Instagram, everything. If you don't believe me, go get it. And if you don't want to order off the website, if you like me, you impatient, because I can't wait, just go in the store and get it, because they don't cost that much, seriously, y'all. But thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.